The smartest.
You calling me a scientist? You calling me a scientist?
Definitely not that guy. We are not referring to him as a scientist, for the record. We have Kate and Elizabeth, two aspiring, I don't know, robotics, STEM, people. Welcome St. Francis students as well. So thanks for being on our show.
Thank you for having us.
We got a big day coming up, November 8th is what you said.
November 8th, right?
And the goggles look great on you already.
I kind of want to put them on, actually.
Goggle up?
I'm going to goggle, just in case something
happens. Let's goggle up. We don't know.
know.
We don't know what might happen here on the show at any moment. But tell us, you guys there's a big day. You want to tell us what STEM and the program is that you guys are involved in?
Yes, so November 8th is National STEM Day, and it's where it's at St. Francis Catholic High School, 5900 Elvis Avenue. It's from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and it's free entry. There's free lunch, there's free t-shirts. We have all these experiments and activities. In fact, today we have these two that we're going to show you right now.
I can hardly
wait. Yeah, come to STEM Day to see all of the others.
And you see it all. So when we're at STEM Day, it's like a lot of hands-on stuff. There's different things we can see and touch and learn, right?
Yes, a bunch of different STEM subjects.
All right. So, and wait, were you responsible for doing that project? Both of you?
Yeah, Kate can talk about this.
So I'm on one of our many academic teams. We have an underwater robotics team that competes at the MATE ROV competition. So this is actually our robot that our freshman team built last year, and it did win its regional competition in Monterey.
Sure. Gary, so she's on the underwater robotics team as a freshman. Okay, let's just go ahead and rewind the clock. What were you doing as a freshman, Gary?
I don't know. I was.
She's on the underwater robotics team.
I don't even know what those words even were.
What on earth is happening?
And they're making this thing go underwater. I've seen this actually go underwater. And what does it do when it's under there? What are you programming it to do?
So basically, our job is to complete tasks that are designed to simulate real-world science experiments. So we are like scanning fish, collecting coral samples.
Sure. Why not? I was not collecting coral samples when I was 15 years old. 14.
I'm not even sure. Well, never mind. All right, and then this is another project that I'm super interested by. Someone want to talk about what's going on?
Yeah, so this is a steel wool experiment. So for STEM Day, we're basically trying to show that under the right conditions, with the right amount of air, with very thin strands of steel, it can actually, metal can actually burn. Whoa. And very early on, when the first light bulbs were made, they actually used this exact method.
Whoa.
But yeah, we can show you right now.
Can we see it?
Wait, hold on. So we can dim the lights, right? What's going to happen here? Is it going to light up, or?
Oh yeah, it's
burst into flame.
Okay, lights are going down. Lights are going down. All right, here we go. So do it whenever you're ready. What are we doing, by the way?
Oh my goodness!
What is
just
happening?
From a battery?
Battery on top of that?
A 9-volt battery?
Yes.
And that I can feel the heat too.
No kidding.
That is so cool.
So wait, this is something that they used before light power?
Before Thomas Edison.
Yes.
Right?
And
good on you.
Wasn't that good?
Or Alexander Graham Bell? I don't know. One of them.
I think he was a telephone bell.
Telephone guy.
Yeah. What do we know?
This is so great. So these are an example of a couple of different experiments that will be there. Who's our robot friend here that we brought?
So this is an example of a robot that is going to be competed with at St. Francis next year. We're launching a new team called RoboQuest.
Okay.
So this is a new academic team at St. Francis that will be building on-land robots. So now we'll have on-land and underwater.
Right, because we need the land and the water
Yes,
covered.
we do.
They could go everywhere, basically.
They go everywhere. What if people, other students want to get involved in the program? Are you full all the time? Do you just shun them away? Do you welcome them in? Do you help them? How does that work?
So something that's unique about our robotics team is we're actually non-cut. So any St. Francis student that wants to join can apply.
Great.
And for the first month, we do a mock competition so students can really get a feel for what robotics is like, and then they can stay on the team if they would like to.
It's incredibly cool. I wish I thought this was cool when I was in high school, because I would have to be smarter right now. And
I want to be like them.
I want to wear one of these.
And I want to smock. Can you bring smocks
suit
next time for us to wear?
Yes, of course.
Okay, perfect. Honor to meet you both. Keep up the great work. All the things on the air, in the water, on the land, do it all. Please keep us moving forward as a country. We're relying on you. National STEM Day coming up on Saturday, November 8th from 10 to 2 at St. Francis High School. Check them out on the social, the website, everything you need, and congratulations to you both.
I want to light some more metal with the battery.
Right.
We'll do that in the break.